Assalamu alaikum. This is Faizan Akhtar, the author of Easy Going English Grammar Book. Today I am going to talk about Easy Going English Grammar Book, which has been prepared for lower secondary grades. I have been teaching English language and English literature for over 24 years in this country, and I have been serving as a curriculum designer, as a senior coordinator, and as a subject specialist with renowned institutes of Pakistan. I have always realized that English language and English grammar must be addressed from scratch so that we can update and we can cultivate the interest in English grammar in our students. Easy Going English Grammar Book addresses the learning needs and the learning difficulties of lower secondary grades. Let me tell you, this book bridges the gap between simplest form of English grammar and the advanced level of English grammar. This book addresses the national curriculum of Sindh Board, Federal Board and Aga Khan Board. This book is free from any technicalities, long definitions, complicated explanations, jargon and very technical words that usually confuse the students of English. For example, nominative case, genitive case, accusative case, noun number, for example, clause, for example, phrase. This book presents English grammar in the simplest and easiest form so that students can understand English as a skill, not only as a subject. This book covers parts of speech, then sentence nature, sentence formations, tenses, and this book introduces all 16 tenses which are usually avoided because most of the books only address 12 tenses, but this book addresses 16 tenses. So all 16 tenses, it means 12 present, past, future tenses and then conditional tenses. 4 conditional tenses have also been incorporated here. This book invites students to think clearly and do you know windows are available, and these do you know windows are basically what? They are basically mind openers, and these mind opening windows invite students to think out of the box. There are note for teachers and they are simplest guidelines for teachers, and this book contains very interesting activities which have been given together with the chapters. So when we go through this book, we find all the elements of English grammar in the most comprehensive yet simplest way. So I recommend that teachers pick up this book and teach Easy Going English Grammar Book to their students, lower secondary grades. Thank you.